Service members who are serving in one of the reserve units are incarcerated. I just want you to be aware, if you're not already, that they'll have a separation hearing from either the Oregon Guard or the Army Reserve, and that's typically going to require a certain number of absences, under which they would then be classified as absent without leave. And a lot of times soldiers who have been incarcerated and who are in for a long time pending trial get removed from their reserve status with the military, and they're often given other than honorable discharges because they did not show up for their appearance. And I want you to know that because I was government counsel and defense counsel for those soldiers, they have to request a defense attorney, and then that attorney can appear for them. And that just doesn't happen, and I don't know how to get that message out. When I was a defense attorney, I didn't know how to get that message out because as attorneys, we have ethical rules where we cannot solicit clients, so we can't go out getting clients. But we need somebody else who, maybe it's the county service officer, so I don't know, Pat, the other counties who are doing this outreach, letting those service members know that in that first 90 days, nothing has happened because they have to be in absent at least 90 days for the process to initiate, and then it could be another few months before they have that hearing, that those service members or veterans are reaching out to trial defense services in their military branch so that they can have that representation and get a higher upgraded discharge status. Because I've seen people who've deployed many years of service, but for one reason or another are now incarcerated and typically would have that hearing and get maybe a general discharge or even an honorable, and they're just not having that opportunity because they're not requesting defense counsel who could represent them.
Oh, that's great information.
So I think that's just helpful. I know that I've seen some people I personally served with that I saw their names came up, but I was not allowed to reach out to them as a defense attorney, and I knew their situation, I knew they were incarcerated, but I just couldn't make that contact. So if you could share that with your colleagues,
yeah, absolutely.
so if they're doing that, that helps them down the road with all these other benefits as well.
Yeah, thank you for sharing that. I think I am in a position to help with that.